Yeah.
Yes.
You see, look, I put them in bowls here. Look. There I put them out. I'll show you what I mean. Okay. That's my double A from the Bagisu coffee cooperative where I buy it all the time. Now I show you this. Okay. Now if you look at this, this looks like a pretty good thing, right? Okay. So that bean I've just put in there is half the size of all those other beans. This comes from that batch, which is the bean looks like it's in pretty good quality, but it's not quite graded well enough.
Yes.
Those you can see already that bean is half the size. So this is a mix. There's no mix here. They are all well graded. That's the one I grade. That's the one I get.
I think that what he was concentrating on was, like you said, when you get it from actual farmers.
Yeah.
And not machine graded.
Yeah.
So you
Well, look. Look at those. You see those beans are not the same size. They're supposed to be double A. That's what it says on the thing. Double A. I think it says double A.
So this is
double A.
This is the Arabica, yes.
Arabica double A, but in fact it's not been graded to double A.
Yeah.
Right. But anyhow, otherwise the bean looks like it's in good condition. It looks good condition. But the problem is when you have it of slightly different sizes, when you do the roasting, the smaller beans get roasted a bit higher than what you want.
Yes.
That's the problem.
That's okay.
Okay,
so how about the Robusta?
Now the Robusta, hold on, I had a look at the Robusta. The Robusta looks good, right? It looks good. So and the grading is good. The bean looks like it's been well prepared, right? There's no problem there. What it is now is the taste.
Yes.
I've got to now roast this, which I will do now, and then we will grind it, and then we can sample it. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Okay. So I'm going to prepare.
What are we planning?
So
to
roast Robusta.
Robusta.
And then taste it.
Yeah. So I've just cleaned just cleaned my
because
coffee
what
machine.
Ken explained,
Yes.
the drying is totally different.
Yes.
So there is one which is direct from the sun, and there is one which is drying outside the direct sun.
Yes.
It's warm,
but
not directly from the sun.
Yes.
So these two, even if we roast it, the taste will be different.
Yes.
It's the smell. That even the smell can tell you
that there is a difference.
Totally different. You can tell.
That's right. That's right. But what Fate wants is different samples of Robusta. Now, there's no indication to me that this Robusta is from clonal bushes.
So how do you know that they're from the clonal bushes?
Well, the farmers have to say where did they get their stock from to plant their
that's
bushes.
fine. We can ask Ken.
Yes.
That's important. I said I might do it at 5 as well, but I said I'm going to do it at 4 today. So it's ready to go, start. Now what will happen, in about 8 minutes, you will hear a crack.
Yes.
That means that...
And as soon as I hear the crack, that means the moisture level is down to about 12%, which is then when I press that button and it will cut off automatically when it's done.
So now it's roasting as we speak.
It's starting to roast, but it's drying. What it's doing at first is drying out the bean to a certain level of humidity.
Okay.
Yeah, there has to be about 12% humidity, and then it will. It's a very reliable machine. Very reliable. I've had this machine now for 10 years or so.
10 years?
10 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So basically if you're going to go to Uganda for instance 2 months, you just put...
Once we know these machines, once we have this sort of machine,
Then it actually heat up to too much.
no, because it's just blowing it into there.
Here, it come out here, the ventilation.
Pure coffee.
I couldn't keep.
Yeah.
Then you can't set this, that's no good. It won't be the taste one, you have to put it around about there, which is a coarser grind. That's coarse grind. You see, it shows a big dots there, fine dot. That's a coarse grind. So there or there would be ideal for this type of coffee
Okay.
machine. When you're making coffee in that, use coarse grind. But I'm not using that. I'm using this machine here, which is a Turkish machine, Biko. Biko. Very, very good. Okay, and they're a fraction of the price of all these other machines. You could a machine like this costs me about, I think, £60 or something like that. Normally, a machine that can do this, you're paid 200 or 300.
All right.
But it's been recommended by which, you know, which Consumer's Guide?
Yes.
They recommend this one, and it's a fraction of the price.
Okay.
It's very good. Yeah.
Okay.
So here, okay, you fill up the coffee in here when it's ground. You put that in here, coffee in here, okay, and then what you do, and there, switch on the button, and you wait till it goes blue. When it's blue, you just turn it there, and it coffee comes out. When you've got a full cup, turn it back up to here. If you want to foam the milk, this is a foamer for the milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So it's now blue, so I could actually now put water in there. If I put a cup of coffee there, but there's no coffee in here, I'll turn it.
All right.
Right, but there's only water coming out because I haven't put any coffee in here yet. Yeah. Alright, so that's where the coffee will go.
Yeah.
There we are.
Deal.
So in a few minutes we're going to do the grinding and then we're going to make a cup
Coffee.
of coffee. Okay, right. So now put that in there. Okay, so now I put that here. Here. Make sure it's set. That is just for the number of cups you want, so I can put it onto there.
What about the lid? Is covered, isn't it?
What?
The lid. You don't move it. This lid here.
No, that's no. Now you push that in.
Okay.
Right? Now I've set it fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's about where I want it. Okay. Now you press the button, and this is the number of cups. So I'm putting it about there, which will provide it up to about here. Okay. Press.
Azalia, this was a very good job to bring these things.
Yes.
And to get even, because what I was telling Azalia is
Fine. Do you see? Oh, sorry.
oh yes.
That is a fine grind. If you put it in here, it won't taste right. You need a coarse. So if you put it in this machine, you only grind it so it's coarse. So it feels like a sand. Yeah? Coarse grain. Right? So now, okay. So here, I put this in here.
You compacted it properly.
Okay, so get it more or less level. Yeah, more or less level. Like that. Okay. And then here. Then we need a cup.
Yes.
One of these here we are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because it's blue now, yeah.
Oh, deal. That's it.
Yeah, can you, that's your coffee?
Yeah. Ken, Muna. Tujakunywa coffee walk.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Christine. So even this one, which one should be taken after him? Is it this one or that one? Because this one is already grinded.
This one is, that is these beans here. I've just.
Yeah, I know. But I'm saying, which one should be used in a month? Is this or that one without grinding them?
Oh, no. These are roasted.
Yes.
Once they're roasted,
Oh,
they've got a
okay.
limited time. Green beans, which is why most European countries will not buy roasted beans from overseas.
Oh, right.
Why?
of the
Because the
short
shelf
time
life is too short.
It's too short.
Okay.
Yeah. So the roast, you will find all the roasters are in Europe. They're not in Africa. I mean, obviously, in some countries in Africa, like Kenya, will probably have a few roasters.
Yes.
But Europeans will not want to import roasted coffee. Why? Because it's got a limited life now.
Okay.
Yeah. If they roast in Europe, they can control when they market it.
However, what about if you provide it in already roasted, already squashed,
Yeah, ready to drink.
ready to drink into the supermarket? So like value addition.
Yeah.
No, this is the big problem. This is a big problem because you've got a short life. Europeans want to buy the green bean because it's got no short life. It can be
stay
stored.
for longer.
It can be stored for 4 years in a warehouse in Berlin, in Paris, in London. It makes no difference to the quality. But if you export when it's roasted and packaged in Uganda to get value added, you then have a problem because it comes by sea, not by air.
Yes.
Sea freight,
Sea.
right?
Yes.
Because air freight's too expensive.
Yes.
Sea freight. If it's held up at a port or it takes a month or 2 months, your shelf life now, your roasted coffee now is at the end of its life before it's even on the supermarket shelf.
Yes.
You see the
No.
because the caffeine content is much higher. Caffeine content in Robusta is much higher than Arabica.
So it kicks in and
Exactly. So instead of people having Red Bull, you have a Robusta coffee.
that's the deal, right?
Yes.
That's why.
Okay.
And that's why, as I was saying, back home, they eat just this.
The
Like
drivers.
they eat them like nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, the way you eat cashew nuts, the way you eat nuts.
They'll drive from Mombasa to Rwanda, Kigali, no sleeping.
And back.
And back like that.
In fact, for them, you just get coffee like that, roast it, and just put it and pack it up.
Yes. It's like a nut.
Yeah, they eat it. They just eat it. Like,
That's where you can market Robusta, roasted butter for kicks.
so this one you think is okay? Yeah.
I personally think this is actually quite pleasant. Yes, I think so. Yeah.
So this peanuts grinded. So any model can work. It does not matter.
That's why they were confused. They say because all models is for different things.
Yeah.
For example, this is only for fun.
Okay.
Other things for the machine. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's why if you give us the right
Okay.
model, then we can arrange.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
No
I went
worries.
to actually factory for the.
Okay.
roasting. I did show my eyes and everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah. That's my name.
Okay.
Yes, that's your company.
Oh,
Yes.
it's got the logo. Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Now this is a Robusta.
Yes.
So, Kenny, wait. So, Kenny, if you can see, olibona mwino, olibona omusaada. Buti lino neiduuka craft coffee and roasting. Wano mwikono. Aha. Tyoli kibona ekyo Kenny. Bano ni betwidde okusupplyinga, so tuli wano katubona oba banatuwa ku order.
Yes.
Bench, go there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another bench, L shape over there. You got nice hanging lights.
Yes.
All in the middle, nice table and chairs. All is nice and modern.
Yes.
So we're not gonna do any food in here. Not hot food. Literally nice, like Turkish style pastries, like bagels and stuff. Lots of different cakes, croissant and stuff, and really decent coffee.
So this machine will stay here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good because it's an attraction.
This is the shop roaster. Up to 5 kilo, you can roast in the shop. If you go obviously over 10 to 20 kilo, then you can't roast in the shop. You have
So
to
people can buy.
go somewhere else.
Can you pack for them to take home?
Well,
Like this.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, excellent. That's very good.
Yeah.
That's
I
very
will-
good.
Yeah, I will have chef,
Oh, yeah.
little bags, all different countries. Obviously, Uganda is.
Oh, yeah. To be.
Yeah,
Oh.
Uganda's flag go up.
Yeah. No,
Ian been here 3-4 weeks ago. Have you seen any difference in here? It was
Well, you've done a lot of this.
Lots of things.
And yeah, you have done quite a lot more.
only that I'm not happy you didn't give me electrical work. That's my job. I mean, I'm too late.
Next time. And you would not have.
it was a shithole in here before.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
This is very nice.
Yeah. So this is gonna be one of the little storage room.
Okay.
And then the stuff can put there like coats,
Yeah.
handbags,
Sure,
and jackets.
sure.